Melinda with Museum of Mortality here, doing an unboxing of some new fun goodies we got in from our friend Amanda with Live Breathe Jewelry. We came across some things that she was selling online, and of course I had to have them. So I sped up the video here because several minutes of me opening, checking each of the packages. She did a superb job of packaging everything to make sure it made it safe and sound. So lots of fun little goodies in this package. And shortly, I'll show you all of it besides the hat pins. So I got everything laid out. There's some wonderful Bakelite items, some clip-on earrings, belt buckle, some brooches, some more Victorian pins, including this beautiful cameo. And then these are the wonderful hat pins. Thanks.